Hi there, my name is Bridget Mackay. I'm an attorney in Petaluma and I practice in estate planning and elder law. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about the Medi-Cal application. I call this video a snapshot, but here's a, spoiler alert. I'm not going to tell you how to fill out an application. I mostly want to get across to people that it's a huge process, and we'll get into why it is. So your loved one is in or entering a skilled nursing facility, or what we call in this area of practice a SNF, SNF, or a nursing home is another way people talk about them. You're faced with applying for Medi-Cal to help you with the cost, because the monthly cost is on average $8,500 a month for this care. What will you need to support this application going to Medi-Cal? First and foremost, let me tell you that applying for Medi-Cal for long-term nursing home care is a big process. This blog's only going to cover what documentation you should have ready on hand to fill out this application. And here's a little note on the application forms from the welfare department. There are several different forms that each county welfare department would take, and each different county in the state of California prefers a different one. So there is also even an online option that came in through the Affordable Health Care Act. So be aware of that and make sure you check with your local county welfare office to determine which application they prefer. You may need to have a total of 30 different documents available to you to complete the application. And you may need to fill out, in addition to the main form, 7 other additional forms through the welfare office to supplement your application. Let's just start there. But aside from that, I'm going to give you some of the basic some of the basic forms you're going to need to start. You'll need the Social Security card of your ill loved one. You'll need to verify all of their income, Social Security, annual statement, proof of required minimum distributions if they have an IRA, or monthly pension payments. You're going to need their birth certificate. You're going to need proof of all their assets, which is including but not limited to the deed to a house or any other property, car registrations, bank statements, at least 3 months worth. That's what I like to put in with my applications. Investment statements, cash value on insurance policies, to name a few. You're going to need proof of any prepaid funeral arrangements that your loved one has made, copies of any checks that they've written in excess of $500 within the last 30 months, proof of their citizenship, proof of any honorable discharge if they're a veteran. And these are just to get started. Medi-Cal applications for long-term nursing home care are no joke. Don't venture into this alone. Get help from an experienced estate planning attorney who practices in this area.